Now, we often think about stress being negative, and rightly so. In most situations, it's harmful to our health. But are there circumstances in which exposure to stress can be beneficial? Now, this question leads us directly to the principle of hormesis, biological phenomenon where we can gain a benefit from low-dose exposure to something that may be harmful at higher levels. Hormesis suggests that controlled, low-dose exposure to certain types of stressors can produce a beneficial effect on our bodies. Now, the principle of hormesis suggests that when our bodies are subjected to low levels of a stressor, they overcompensate to that to give a greater ability to deal with that stressor next time they face it. This often enhances our health and activates pathways associated with longevity. Now, the classic example of this is weight training, where we stress our muscles for a short period of time, pushing them to beyond something they're normally accustomed to do, with the aim that they compensate for this by becoming stronger, faster, or growing bigger, whatever the goal is. But there are many examples of hormetic stresses that have been shown to boost health and longevity. One of those is ice baths, which have been shown to help improve our immune system, well-being, and activate our antioxidant pathways. Intermittent fasting is another key way that we can use hormesis to benefit our health. By temporarily restricting our intake of food, we activate cellular pathways that are associated with improving our health and longevity. For example, intermittent fasting has been associated with decreased inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, and enhanced brain health. It's an ideal example of something where short-term stress equals long-term gain. Now, these are just a couple of basic hormetic stresses. If you've got any that you've tried that have been a benefit, please let us know in the comments below.